Let's talk about one of the most practical, eco-friendly swaps we can make in our kitchen. These are the Norwex countercloths, and this season we have them in this beautiful cranberry color. It's so pretty. It's my favorite color all year round, not just during the seasonal stuff. So countercloths, they are reusable cloths that replace our paper towels. They are the perfect size to use. They're about the size of a half a paper towel or one of the tear apart paper towels, but they are way more powerful. Each one can absorb up to a third a cup of liquid, making them perfect for spills, for messes, wiping up counters before, even after we cook, and wiping those little hands and faces. My husband actually takes one of these in his lunchbox to work every day to clean his hands off before he eats and then to wipe up after. So what I did right before I started the video is I added one countercloth and a tear apart paper towel, both to a third a cup of liquid. So we're gonna see just how powerful these are compared to those paper towels. So they are made of super fine Norwex microfiber that is proven to remove up to 99% of bacteria from our surfaces used with just water. So big upgrade from the paper towels, right? They also have BacLock, which is our silver. It's built right into the cloths to help them stay fresher longer, and it prevents the growth of mold, mildew, and bacteria, which can lead to some pretty strong foul odors. They're quick drying, so they don't just sit around getting musty like those sponges, and they're OEKO-TEX certified, which means they were tested, independently tested, for over 350 harmful substances, which can be found in a lot of fabrics, so we can feel safe when we use them in our home, especially in the kitchen. The average family of 4 uses at least 26 rolls of paper towels per year. That is more than $100 a year just thrown away on paper towels. And every day in North America, we cut down about 51,000 trees just to feed the paper towel habit. And used paper towels create over 3,000 tons of trash every single day. So switching to something eco-friendly like a countercloth is honestly, it's one of the easiest ways to cut waste, to save money, and it's also great for the planet. So here's how you can get these. You can get them in a set of 3 countercloths in this beautiful cranberry color. We do have other colors available, but this is my current favorite. Or you can get them in a countercloth box set with 6 countercloths. So I like the idea of mixing it with like our vanilla colored countercloths to make a little peppermint type of theme throughout the holidays. This is a really cute little house, very stylish, and it keeps them handy. And then when we're done using them, we can rinse them out, wring them out, and then lay the used one right across the top of the house, which helps it dry. So they're absorbent, they're long lasting, and they look beautiful in our kitchens. Plus, once we try them, we're never gonna go back to those paper towels. Now let's see how well we did. So this is the countercloth I added to 1/3 cup of liquid. Look how great we did. There's our cup. It's only dripping a little bit, and there might have even been a little bit more than 1/3 a cup. And then this is that half paper towel. It just doesn't have anything on that countercloth. Plus, it's not removing the bacteria. So you can grab your set of 3 or your countercloth box set. I hope this video was helpful.